When it comes to home improvement projects, few investments have a greater impact on comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency than new windows. However, even the highest quality windows can underperform if they're not installed correctly. In East Northport, where seasonal weather shifts can strain poorly fitted windows, proper installation is essential. Below are the most common window installation mistakes, and how to avoid them to protect your investment. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent, and costly, mistakes homeowners make is taking inaccurate window measurements. Even a fraction of an inch off can lead to drafts, leaks, and operational issues. When the window doesn't fit snugly, installers might use excess caulk or insulation to compensate, which often leads to long-term performance problems. How to avoid it? Always double-check measurements, height, width, and depth, at multiple points in the frame, since older homes in East Northport may have settled or shifted over time. Professional installers use laser levels and digital tools to ensure precision. Never rely on manufacturer sizing alone without verifying on-site dimensions. Ignoring moisture barriers. East Northport experiences humid summers and occasional heavy rainfall, making moisture control critical. A common oversight is failing to install or properly seal moisture barriers around the window opening. This can lead to rot, mold, and interior water damage over time. How to avoid it? Make sure installers use flashing tape, waterproof membranes, and proper sealants. A sloped sill pan can help direct any infiltrating water outward, preventing damage inside the wall cavity. Attention to waterproofing details during installation ensures your new windows will remain dry and durable. Using low-quality materials. Even with a perfect fit, using substandard caulking, foam, or fasteners can reduce your window's longevity and efficiency. Some homeowners try to cut costs by purchasing lower-grade materials, but these can deteriorate quickly under East Northport's temperature variations. How to avoid it? Invest in high-quality, weather-resistant sealants and insulation. Choose screws and fasteners designed for your specific window material, whether vinyl, wood, or fiberglass. Using the right components ensures a secure and weatherproof seal that lasts for decades. Skipping insulation around frames. Proper insulation is vital for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort. Unfortunately, many DIYers or rushed installers forget to adequately insulate between the window frame and the rough opening, leaving small gaps that allow heat and air to escape. How to avoid it? Use expanding foam specifically formulated for windows and doors. It won't overexpand or distort the frame. Proper insulation not only reduces energy costs but also improves noise reduction, keeping East Northport homes quieter and more comfortable year-round. Overlooking, leveling, and alignment. A window that isn't plumb or level can lead to problems such as sticking sashes, uneven seals, and visible gaps. Over time, this misalignment can cause air infiltration and water leaks, undermining the performance of even premium windows. How to avoid it? Installers should use shims and a level at multiple points during installation. Always confirm that the window opens and closes smoothly before securing it permanently. A properly aligned window provides consistent operation and maintains the manufacturer's warranty. Neglecting local climate and building codes. East Northport's coastal proximity and seasonal storms mean windows must be selected and installed with local conditions in mind. Choosing products not rated for the area's weather or failing to meet building codes can cause issues during inspections or extreme weather events. How to avoid it? Work with a local window professional who understands Suffolk County's codes and East Northport's climate. Energy-efficient, double or triple pane windows with low E coatings are ideal for maintaining indoor comfort and controlling utility bills throughout the year. De-installation without expertise. Window installation may seem straightforward, but it requires specialized tools, precision, and understanding of building science. Mistakes made during a DIY project often surface later as leaks, drafts, or even structural issues. How to avoid it? Unless you have professional training, it's best to hire a certified window installer. Licensed contractors in East Northport ensure every step, measurement, removal, insulation, sealing, and finishing, is handled correctly. This guarantees both performance and peace of mind. Final thoughts: avoiding these common mistakes during window installation in East Northport can save you time, money, and frustration. A correctly installed window not only enhances your home's beauty but also boosts energy efficiency and protects against weather damage. Whether replacing outdated frames or upgrading to energy-saving models, always choose skilled professionals and high-quality materials for the best long-term results.